honest. Are you an honest person? I hope so. All right, judging from the way that it went down last year when I did this deal, I'm thinking some of you might have worked the system a little bit, but we're gonna do it again. It's Honest Day. And at Pete and Pedro, the reason why we do this, basically, and here's how it works. There's a code for 25% off. If you use the code HONEST25, you're gonna get 25% off any item you've never tried, but have been thinking about it. Or what some people did last year, I'm just telling you, they got a product that they already knew they love and used the code and got 25% off. I'm a realist and I understand. But the deal is, the reason why we do this, it's to help you find and discover new products. Because if you're anything like me, you don't want to waste your hard-earned dinero on something you don't know 100% that you're going to love. Honest Day takes a little bit of the risk away. Gentlemen, that's it. It's going down right now. Honest Day. Use the code HONEST25 and get 25% off any item you want to try or try again.